The Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus is one of the newest phones from Samsung that was released in February 2023. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus is the bigger sibling of the regular Galaxy S23 with its 6.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a refresh rate of 120Hz. It runs on Android 13 with One UI 5.1 and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. It has a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP wide-angle camera, a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. It also has a 12MP selfie camera on the front. The phone supports 45W wired charging and 15W wireless charging for its 4700 mAh battery. It also has features like fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, NFC, Samsung DeX, Bixby, and Samsung Pay. The phone comes in different colors, some of which are made with natural dyes and recycled materials.